What's going on, guys? This is Aquarius Beverly. Giving you guys some related content regarding to how to be able to find work related to copywriting. If you're a copywriter or enjoy writing copy related to any particular interests of topics that you enjoy talking about and writing about, then this is a great source to be able to find copywriting jobs from home. This is definitely a verified site, just so you guys can know. It's from Upwork. They have definitely credible companies that you guys can see here. As you see, they got Microsoft, Airbnb, and stuff like that. So as you can just basically see from here, they have pretty related jobs just regarding to copywriting that pay at a certain rate. Some jobs are at a per hour, some rates are fixed, some are per job durations. So just kind of just showing you guys just what I'm talking about. They got the marketing internship. These are just jobs that were just recently posted, as you can see on the top of my sorting. You even have some that are most relevant. And like I said, these are based off, your skill level. And this is just a great way to just kind of just be able to find work that's related to something that you may be interested in then. So as you can see here, just pretty much self-explanatory. As you can see, seeking a rock star copywriter. Let's just check this one out because this one kind of just stood out to me. They want 2 years of a copywriting experience. I actually did a video on this as well in regarding to how to be able to improve your copywriting skills. So if you want to be able to do this, so learning that, you can check out my other video where I actually talk about in details on certain tips on how to be able to stand out during copywriting when you're writing for someone else or just writing for your own improvement of copywriting skills. So anyway, let's click on this link, see how it's going. And so as you can see here, this here shows what particular expectations that they're looking for. 2 years of copywriting experience, excellent written and verbal skills, ability to produce quick switch gears when needed. So just someone that's pretty much flexible, has experience in online course sales, highly desired. Obviously, in copywriting, that's just another form of sales, just to be able to engage your audience when they're actually looking at your content. This is just, just something that you want to be mindful of. So as I explained in that video that I did several years back, it's a great timeless video that you can still learn from and just be able to learn how to do copywriting effectively where you can engage your audience. As it shows here, this is just a really pretty decent way to be able to find work. And as you can see here, the person already is shown verified, and that's another thing that's good about this particular website, because it also gives you the reviews for the actual client who's offering the job. So that means that they actually pay on time, how many hours have been, how many hires they have actually done. So this person has been around since 2015, which is actually really, really good. And then also, like I said, you can also be able to just apply, just enter in your details and then just apply as a freelancer and just be able to get work on the side. So therefore you can be able to improve your content writing, but also get paid while you're doing so. What better way to be able to do something you enjoy while getting paid to do it? So very, very easy, very simple. This is just one of the few strategies amongst many that I'll be sharing on this page in regarding to how to be able to improve content writing as well as just being able to work from home. I know with the world changing the way that it is, a lot of people are looking for additional ways to make money online. So just giving you guys some legit ways on how to be able to do so. This is a great site to be able to find work and just be able to just improve your skill sets while being able to get paid. If you want to find more related content on how to be able to find legit work from home opportunities as well as improving your content writing, definitely subscribe to this page, as I will be doing daily content related to this on a consistent basis. And like I said, you guys will get the notifications as you subscribe to the channel. Again, if you like this video and you want to learn more, just go ahead and click at the link below. It pretty much give you a whole breakdown of how it works. So therefore you can pretty much get what you need as far as finding the work that you particularly are interested in. And they have plenty of postings daily where you guys can be able to basically get what you need as far as finding the work that's related to what you're interested in. So if you guys, again, want to see more related content, just make sure to subscribe. And again, this is your guy, Aquarius Beverly. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please like it, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Take care. Bye.